Here we are to Cooper Cabin to talk about the Cooper Pooper.
Yep.
It's our newest willow feeder.
And it is an indoor willow feeder. It's part of the building.
Right.
And it has plumbing that goes outside.
It's in a rather small space, so having a raised floor in there doesn't leave a lot of room for steps. The willow candy, has to be removed from the front, which is also where the urine diverter drains.
Mm-hmm. So to make it comfortable for a person, you're probably going to have to raise the floor in some creative way, regardless of where it is, whether it's in a skiddable structure or whether it's inside a building like here at Cooper Cabin. There are steps in there right now. It's kind of like a 2-step footstool.
Giant size steps.
Yeah. Well, to be able to make it up to where the seat is, there's definitely an excess of space. So again, we're the magic number is 17.5 inches.
There's a greywater plumbing, you could say, because it drains 2 sinks, and it goes out through the floor in that room that has this willow feeder.
Mm-hmm.
So the urine diverter also goes into that same drain, which exits the building. And this particular willow feeder has a solar-powered fan exhausting the box that the can sits in. Currently the fan is powered by a portable battery power pack. I don't know what those things are called. It's got an inverter on it. It's, it can be charged by solar panels. You can plug it into the grid and charge it up.
Everybody, come in here with me. All of you, come in here. Let's turn this intimate moment into something even more intimate. Come on, everybody. Here we are.
House party.
Yeah, that's right. Close the door. All right. How's it smell?
Okay, there, kiddo.
It's
like people.
There's
not people odor, not poo odor.
There is a bucket full of poop under my butt in the room with us right now. Like weeks and weeks from many people. Lots and lots of poops.